begins! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute house step by step. So, grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a big triangle for the roof. Now, draw the house wall right under the roof. Great! Let's add a chimney on the roof. Next, draw 2 fences in front of the house.
La da 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 dee.
Yay! Now, let's draw the door in the middle. Awesome! Let's add 3 windows, 1 on top and 2 on the sides. Draw a cloud in the sky. And here comes the sun with a cute smiley face. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. purple color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Whoa! Our rainbow-colored house looks amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.